Gain maximum knowledge by updating your message. Do that by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.
Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is about
how to type faster like a pro.
learn how to type like a pro. But before you start, you need this. First one, an internet connection, because we are using an online software. Second one, a mic. This trick depends on this. Third one is the keyboard to fix any error that occur in the mic. Okay, you don't worry if you don't have a microphone. You can also use the hands-free, which was available when you are purchasing your mobile device. To get started, go to one of your web browser. You can use anything and you search for Google Docs, because we are using an online software to type. In that, you go to the second link, which is the docs.google.com. The link is in the description, so you don't worry. I'll select the blank document because I'm gonna show you the trick, so you can use any document or letterheads which are available. We aren't gonna type, we are gonna voice type, so that I ask you the microphone. To find voice typing, from one of these tabs you have to select tools and select voice typing. Then you see there is a gray color icon which shows you click to speak. If you click, if this is the first time, they'll ask you to allow your microphone. You should allow your microphone, and this red color icon symbolizes that Google Docs is listening to whatever you're saying. And in Google Docs, in this tutorial, we are going to use some of the commands such as full stop, italic, text color, comma, and you can also use whatever the format you need. Let's try voice typing. Make sure you go to tools and click voice typing, and click this icon to record whatever you speak. The internet is a collection of networks around the world, full stop. With the use of internet today, comma, the whole world has become a global village, full stop. The internet, comma, which renders such a big service, comma, does not possess a single owner, and it is a non-profitable organization called the Internet Society. Okay, now you understand that I typed the full stop in a voice command, comma in a voice command. But you see some of the errors, like which renders. I said which renders, but it has typed which windows. For some of those mistakes only, we are gonna use our keyboard. And you saw typing this whole document, for some it takes many minutes. So this voice typing is really a good thing which can save a lot of heap of time. And let's see what is text color italic command. Text color red. You saw our text color changed to red, and you can use any color using voice typing which the Google logo represents. Text color blue. You saw our color changes into many. Now let's read something else. To transmit this information among the computers in the internet, comma, the protocol called HTTP is used. Full stop. Text color black. Various resources in the website is the uniform resource locator, which you can identify any website uniquely. Full stop. These are the ways that you can turn many paragraphs and type it in seconds. This trick is used by many authors. They type some of the books which should be typed for many months. They type in weeks and days, or even within hours. Some of the advantages of having this voice typing is, first one, you can save a huge time. Second one, you can also work as a freelancer. Freelancing. Okay, but another one I have to say, if you don't like voice typing and you need a manual typing method, you can also choose the typing tutor or speed typing online. There are some of the websites which helps you to type faster. They say with their symbols how to use. You should use this index finger to type F. Like that you can register to any online websites, or you can also download some softwares to type. One of that is the Typing Master. I also use the Typing Master to type speed. It is available for Windows. You can download it and you can also activate this speed meter in your desktop, and you can identify the words, your speed. This also gives a certificate when you complete the activities, but for the certificate you have to pay an amount.
And that's it for this tutorial. Consider subscribing.